Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to enable crypto withdrawals on Bitvavo PC. And for this we go to withdrawal, we go to crypto, and then we click on continue. And right now we click here on the screen on enable crypto withdrawals. Right now we click here on enable crypto withdrawals, and then it says continue to IBAN verification. Now let's do that, let's do continue. And then right now he needs to confirm or ideal, so click on ideal, then your banking account, and then he will give you a 1 cent fee. So do now confirm and deposit. Scan this, then we do pay now, do your thing in the banking app and then do complete order. And now we do continue. And right now the deposit is completed. So right now we do got it, go to withdrawal, crypto, and right now we can withdraw crypto. So this is exactly how you enable withdrawals on Bitvavo PC. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.